There's been a massive fire at a petrol pump in Jaipur in Rajasthan. Information has come in of a fire in a CNG vehicle parked at a petrol pump. Remember that we are talking about a site with clearly inflammable material there. And it's also come as information that nearby there's a private school as well. This is the Bankrota area, and sadly, look at that. Remember, because it's a petrol pump, immediately once the fire was lit, it just caught fire all around and the flames engulfed the entire site. We are getting reports of some people tragically who've got burnt as well, but we are trying to ascertain further details. Vehicles also were engulfed in the flames because clearly there must have been other vehicles as well that were parked nearby. Look at this. Disturbing visuals coming in. Overnight, the kind of flames that we see engulfed, and we can see explosions sort of taking place, which means more and more inflammable material were catching fire. Trucks, vehicles, anything in the vicinity has been caught fire. While the flames appear to have been controlled now, the fire engines have been deployed, but nearby roads have been diverted. So this is Jaipur area, Jaipur city, where the Bankrota area is where we are told that this incident has happened. Absolutely tragic, but we're trying to ascertain details. How did a CNG vehicle catch fire, and in a way that nearby vehicles parked also got engulfed in those flames? All right, looks like from what I can see in the visuals, at least 5 to 6 trucks that I can see have been burned down, vehicles as well. We don't have clarity about the drivers and passengers and the human toll as well. Devankar Vadhavan joining me. Devankar, this looks absolutely scary. What are the details you are picking up? What happened? And I hope that there was no casualty in this.
Well, Pooja, prima facie, the blast happened this morning in the wee hours, and the details are still sketchy about it. But as per the information available right now, is that it happened in Bhakrota area of Jaipur, which is on the outskirts. There has been no casualty so far, but investigations are currently on as to what exactly led to it, and whether there were any people in the vicinity when it happened in the wee hours today. Pooja?
Devankar, because I see a lot of trucks, I believe this could be a highway area, and that's why perhaps sadly we've seen a lot of trucks, other vehicles. All right, there are buses. I see some of the vehicles that carry transport as well. Many cars have been have got engulfed in the flames as well. Any reference, any statement from the investigators, from the petrol pump yet? Because this looks like a full-on blast that we see from the visuals that you've sent us. Tell us about if there are any eyewitness accounts, if there are people, what have they said?
Well, there were several eyewitnesses from the information that we have gathered so far, and this area is the one which leads to Ajmer. It's on the Jaipur-Ajmer road. Bhakrota is an area which is there on the Jaipur-Ajmer road, and it is about 25 kilometers from Jaipur city. Although it is within the Jaipur district boundaries, but it is on the outskirts of Jaipur. As per information, there were several people who were there in the vicinity who saw the blasts happening. But what exactly led to the initiation of the blast is something which is still unknown. Whether it was a leakage from one of the vehicles, or whether there was some fire that was initially lit, because the mornings in Jaipur for the past few days have been quite foggy, and perhaps there is a possibility that there was some fire in the vicinity which could have caught on. But right now the details are sketchy, and as I mentioned, the investigations are currently going on as to what exactly Pooja led to this fire. But it is a massive fire which caught on, and there were several vehicles which were there in the vicinity when this fire spread. But as of now, the attempt by the investigators and the authorities is to ensure that somehow what exactly led to this fire could be revealed, and also to ensure that there is no further flare up in the area. Pooja?
All right.